AGF, the online platform for GATE Agriculture Engineering. And this is all about me. Now friends, see another question. It is also based upon the previous concept only. I will once again read it. Here friends, it is saying initially some n-naught amount of spores are present and finally 99% of spores are killed. So final amount of spores is n-naught minus n-naught into 99 by 100. Means we are considering Kt is equal to ln n-naught by n. In n-naught is the initial amount of microorganisms and final n is the final amount of microorganisms. Means not we are considering how much microorganisms killing. Means हमें killing से कोई मतलब नहीं है. हमें n value we are getting final amount of what is the final number of microorganisms is present actually. I will explain it in easy way. Suppose initially 10 students are present here. Means initially 10 students are present somewhere. So you consider n-naught value as 10. And someone said that after some time the 6 students are passed away. Means 6 students are killed. So my n value means final n value is what? Means 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Means हमारा initially n-naught जो था 10 students present थे वो हमारा n-naught value था और किसी ने बोला कि 6 students killed हो गए तो हमारा फाइनल जो n वैल्यू होगा जो अपन फॉर्मूला में यूज करते हैं ln n0 by n के वो हमारा होगा 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Means you have to only take care about this, that initial value and final value we are considering. We don't have to take care about how many bacteria killed, how many students killed. Means we don't have any thing with the 6 we are only subtracting how much initially present, how much finally present. We have to see only these two terms. So here the rate of reaction is given, that is 0.23. So you should calculate the processing time. We have to calculate. Friends, I think initially it is n0 and 99% of spores killed. So final value is n0 into 1 minus 99 by 100, that is n0 into 10 to the power minus 2. And all of you know that processing time f is equal to d into log base 10 into n0 by n. So friends, here the decimal reduction time is not given, here the rate constant is given. So it is very easy. Means you can calculate, you know the relationship between the rate constant and decimal reduction time. That is d is equal to 2.303 by k. So you should replace it by 2.303 by k and you write all these values, you can get the answer, that is 20 minutes. Now friends, see another question. Friends, it is also very easy question. I have solved it in the previous slides also and it is again repeated question. So you see this. Initially n-naught amount of microorganisms present, finally 99.999% inactivation, means finally n-naught minus n-naught into 1 minus 99.999 divided by 100 is the final number of microorganisms. You take the ratio of both log base 10 n-naught by n into you multiply with the d value, means decimal reduction time. Here the d value is 0.22 minute. And friends, I have told you sterilization, here it is written sterilization value. Sterilization value is also the same thing, log base 10 n-naught by n. So n-naught by n you have studied, and n-naught value you have considered, n value is n-naught into 1 minus 10 to the power 1 minus 99.999 divided by 100. So friends, one shortcut you can get here. I will try to give you one shortcut. If you want to remember it, you can remember it because it will little bit save your time in the examinations. Friends, sterilization, you remember that processing time is equal to sterilization value into D. decimal reduction time. And friends, the best way to calculate the sterilization value is, you see here that in the question it is written 99.999%, means 5 times total, 5 times 9 is written in this क्वेश्चन. आप यहाँ पे देखो टोटल 5 टाइम्स हमें 9 लिखी हुई है, मीन्स स्टेरिलाइजेशन वैल्यू इज गोइंग टू बी 5. मीन्स स्टेरिलाइजेशन वैल्यू इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द 9 इज रिटन, दैट इज द स्टेरिलाइजेशन वैल्यू. सपोज 6 times 9 is written, you don't have to worry about where is the point given and what is given where. You don't have to worry about that. You only see the how many, means here 5 times means 99.3 times 9 is written, so sterilization value is 5. If it is 99.4 times 9 is written, then sterilization value is 6. So it is, I think, easy way to calculate. So you can simply calculate and you can get the answer. It is little bit, it is very good question. Friends, you understand this question very carefully. Friends, before solving this question, you see that in the bottom portion I have written most heat resistance means more survival of time, more time of survival. Suppose I am saying something is most heat resistance, or some person is most heat resistance, or some microorganisms is most heat resistance, means that microorganism, that person, that thing has more time of survival, means that can survive up to more time, means the processing time for that material is more. जैसे हमें बोल दिया जाए कि हम ज्यादा हीट रेसिस्टेंस है, या कोई माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म है वो ज्यादा हीट रेसिस्टेंस है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वो ज्यादा देर तक उस हीट में सरवाइव कर सकता है. वो पर्सन, वो माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म, वो थिंग, मतलब ज्यादा देर तक सरवाइव कर सकता है. उसका जो मरने की टाइम होगी वो ज्यादा होगी कंपेयर टू औरों के, मीन्स बाकियों के. So here it is very simple now. Only one conceptual term is there. I have explained it. Now you see the question. Suspension contains 3.6 into 10 to the power 5 spores of C, and the D value is 1.5 minute. And for B, 8.5 into 10 to the power 6 spores, and the D value is 0.9 minute. Means दो टाइप ऑफ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म है, C एंड B, एंड दोनों की स्पोर्स, इनिशियल स्पोर्स गिवन है, एंड दोनों की डेसिमल रिडक्शन टाइम गिवन है. एंड इट इज सेइंग दैट फाइनली वी हैव टू ऑब्टेन द सर्वाइवल प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 10 to the power -3. मींस इनिशियली N naught value is given for both microorganisms, D value is given for both BC, and final spoilage probability means N value is also given, that is 10 to the power -3. So you should simply use the processing time formula, that is F is equal to D into log base 10 N naught by N. You apply this formula in both the cases, you can get 2 times, one time for C, one time for B. So I have calculated here T1 T2. You see, sorry, it is written by mistake, both places it is written like T1, but you consider that first one is T1 and the second one is T2. So T1 value I have got, that is 12.83, and T2 value I have got, that is 0.93 minute. So you can clearly understand that T1 greater than T2, so the first one is more heat resistance. That's it. Very simple question. You have to understand only the logic of heat resistance. Now one more question, friends. See, it is also very easy. You can solve it very easily. D value is given, decimal reduction time is given. Friends, in all questions same things are repeated. If you are clear with the concept, you can just play with the questions. There are nothing in the questions. You can easily play, you can easily set your own question. आप क्वेश्चन बना सकते हो अगर आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है तो. So you should be very clear with the concepts. D value is given. Initially 10 to the power 10 spores are present. Finally it is reduced to 1 spore. Initially n naught value is 10 to the power 10, n value is 1. So you should calculate the processing time. F is equal to D121 into log base 10 into n naught by n. So you put all these values, you can get answer, that is 2 minutes. Now another question. Friends, these questions are just for playing. These questions are not for solving. You can simply play with these questions. You don't need to have copy pen to solve these questions. You simply take your calculator, you simply do the calculations only. Same thing is repeated here also. F is equal to D121 log base 10 n naught by n. N naught value is 10 to the power 12, n value is 1 and D value is 0.2. You can get answer, that is 2.4. Here also it is very easy, you solve it. Total time required to reduce the sports from 10 to the power 2 to 10 to the power minus 6 at 121 at 111. What should be? Friends, here you see that the D121 and Z value is given. That is 0.2 minute and 10 degree centigrade is the Z value. And it is asking at 111 degree centigrade. Friends, first thing you should know that for a specific temperature there is a specific D value. जो हमारा D value होता है वो हर टेम्परेचर का एक स्पेसिफिक होता है. जैसे 121 डिग्री पे एक स्पेसिफिक D वैल्यू आएगा, डेसिमल रिडक्शन टाइम आएगा. 111 डिग्री पे एक स्पेशल डेसिमल रिडक्शन आएगा. Every decimal reduction time is a unique, means it is unique at its unique temperature. It is not that you can't say that this decimal D value is applicable to at all the temperatures, means 100 degree, 120 degree, 150. This can't be possible. At a particular temperature, a particular D value is obtained. So here the initial temperature is 121 and the D value is given at 121 is 0.2 and it is asking the processing time at 111 degree centigrade. So first thing you should calculate the D value at 111 degree centigrade. You simply use the equation, that is log base 10 d2 by d1 is equal to t1 minus t2 by 10. Means friends, you once again see here the location of d111 divided by d121 means log base 10 d111 divided by d121 is equal to 121 minus 111. मीन्स हमारा जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो फर्स्ट में लिखा जाएगा, जो नोमिनेटर में है वो लास्ट में लिखा जाएगा. दिस इज द लॉजिक ओनली. So you calculate the D11 value, that is 2 minutes. And friends, after this the question is going to be very easy. All of you know that processing time F is equal to D111 into sports are reduced from 10 to the power 2 to 10 to the power minus 6 means log base 10 n naught by n naught value is 10 to the power 2 and value is 10 to the power minus 6. You put all these values, you can get your answer 16 minutes. Now friends, see another question. It is little bit good question. Friends, the D value at 121 and 139.1 degree are 1.2 and 0.019. For 12 log reduction at 130 degree, the processing time is. Friends, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें 2D values given है at 2 temperatures. Means the first thing we have to do, we should calculate the value. Because the 2 temperatures are given, you see that 2 temperatures and 2 decimal reduction times are given. So you should calculate the first thing, that is Z value, that is 9.99 degree centigrade. Friends, you remember that Z value is constant for all the temperatures, means all the temperature changing, that our Z value is constant. Z value doesn't vary with temperature, it doesn't have any dependence upon temperature. It is constant for all the temperature changes. So आपको ये Z value firstly calculate करना है, because 2 temperature दिया हुआ है 121 degree centigrade and 139.1 degree centigrade. एंड द टू टेम्परेचर का डेसिमल रिडक्शन टाइम्स गिवन है 1.2 and 0.019 minutes, and we have to calculate at 130 degree centigrade. Friends, here you see that temperature is 130 degrees. So first thing we have to calculate the D value at 130 degree. Our first motto is going to be to calculate the D value at 130. For that we have to calculate the Z value first, that is 9.99. And friends, you see that in second case I have written log base 10 D121.1 divided by D130 is equal to 130 minus 1 to 1.1 divided by 9.99, and I have got the D130 value, that is 0.154 minutes. Friends, this is the thing which I said you to calculate. Friends, one more thing I will tell you. Here I have taken the ratio of log base 10 D121 by D130. You can calculate it by another way also, like you can write here log base 10 D139.1 divided by 130. Means you can calculate it by both way. Here I am considering the case of 121 degree. So I have taken the time for decimal reduction time for 121 degree. If you want to calculate by 139.1 degree, you can calculate by that way also. The answer is going to be same only. Now friends, I have calculated the D130 value, that is 0.154 minute, and it is asking for 12 log reduction times. Means friends, initially our amount of microorganisms is N0, and finally 12 times it is reduced, 10 to the power 12 times, means 12 log reduction, means one time reduction is 1 by 10. So 12 times reduction is 1 by 10 to the power 12. So N0 divided by 10 to the power 12. So log base 10, 10 to the power 12, 10 cancel out. So 12 into D130, that is 110.88 seconds. You see the solution very carefully. You can able to understand everything. Now friends, see another question. Here it is saying that the rate of reaction increases 11 times for temperature rise of 10 degree from 121.1 degree centigrade. The decimal log reduction for microorganisms at 121.1 is 5.7 seconds, and it is asking minimum sterilization time at 135 degree centigrade for 8 log reduction of microorganisms. First thing friends, you should calculate the Z value, because friends, it is asking at different temperatures are given, so we have to calculate the D value at 135 degree centigrade. So our first work is going to be calculate the Z value. You see here friends, I have told you the relation for K1 K2 log base 10 K1 K2 is equal to T1 minus T2 by Z. Means for K1 K2 also I have told you the relation, for D1 D2 also I have told you the relation. Means log base 10 K1 K2 K1 by K2 is equal to log base 10 D2 by D1, because K and D are inverse of each other. So K1 by K2 is equivalent to D2 by D1. So by using that only I have calculated. You see here friends, here it is written that temperature rise of 10 degree centigrade from 121.1 degree. So if you rise the temperature by 10 degree from 121.1, you can get the temperature 131.1. So delta T is 10 degree, and I have calculated the Z value. Here you see that in the question it is given the ratio of K1 K2 is 11 times, means log base 10 11 is equal to 10 by Z. So Z value is 9.6. Now friends, it is given the decimal log reduction at 121.1 is 5.7 seconds. So you have calculated the Z value, that is 9.6. Now you calculate the D value at 135, because here it is asking the final time at 135 degree centigrade. So you calculate the D D value at 135 degree centigrade. So you simply use the relation. Here friends, I have put in 10 to the power, but if you take log, you can write it in terms of log, or you can write it in terms of 10 to the power something. That is no problem, you can write it in any way. So friends, I will tell you in terms of log. Suppose that log base 10 D121.1 divided by D135 is equal to 135 minus 121 by 9.6. You can get the D135 answer, that is 0.20339 seconds. Means we have calculated the D135. Now it is asking the processing time for 8 log reduction. It is asking for 8 log reduction. So log reduction, all of you know that log base 10 n naught by n, that is 8, and processing time f is equal to D135 into log base 10 n naught by n, and you can get the answer, that is 1.627 seconds. Now friends, see another question. It is also very good question. Friends, here the decimal reduction time at 72 degrees 13.5 is reduced to 8 times logarithmic, and the temperature of 85, and the Q10 value for this organism is 7.5, and it is asking about the minimum holding time at 85 degree centigrade. So friends, for calculating this, first thing we have to consider, we should calculate the Z value. Means we should calculate the Z value. Here friends, you see that here Q10 value is given, that is 7.5. So Q10 value is equal to 10 to the power T1 minus T2 by Z. All of you remember this formula. So you calculate the Z from here. You take log both sides, you can get the Z value here. Friends, Q10 is given, means here you see that in the question Q10 value is given. Q10 value is indicates that the temperature changes by 10 degree centigrade. मीन्स जो हमारा टेम्परेचर होता है वो 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से चेंज होता है. सो हियर देयर इज नथिंग गिवन अबाउट द टेम्परेचर, बट वी विल कंसीडर दैट द टेम्परेचर चेंजेस 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. Q10 हमारा रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि 10 डिग्री टेम्परेचर राइज या टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज पे व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑन इट्स नंबर ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. सो you should consider the 10 degree T1 minus T2 is equal to 10. So you should consider it as 10. And by this way you can calculate the Z value, that is 11.43. Now friends, it is asking at 85 degree. So you see here, friends, we have calculated the Z value. Now it has given the decimal log reduction at 72 degree is 13.5 seconds, and we have to calculate at 85 degree centigrade. You have to calculate at 85 degree centigrade. So you should take the relation log base 10 d72 by d85 is equal to 10 to the power 85 minus 72 by z, means z value is 11.43. So you have calculated the d at 85 degree, that is 0.98395 seconds. And friends, it is asking the minimum holding time, means it is asking the processing time, that is f. F is equal to, here you see that for 8 log reduction it is asking, means हमें यहाँ पे 8 logarithmic reduction means log base 10 n naught divided by n naught by 10 to the power 8. Friends, sorry, I have written it by mistake here. I have written it simply n naught by 8, but it is mistake here. It should be written like n naught divided by n naught divided by 10 to the power 8. Means by mistake, it is some silly mistake I have done. So you should multiply the d85 into log base 10 n naught divided by n naught by 10 to the power 8, and 10 cancel, and then you multiply the 8 into d85, you can get your answer, that is 7.87. And friends, please subscribe our channel and share our channel to all the serious and needy candidates of GATE. And next, we are going to upload videos upon the different topics. I think this topic is completed and you are able to solve all the questions. I have covered all the questions asked in the previous examination. And please subscribe our channel because your subscription will motivate us.